Why have I never seen that on a product before? And so this one's called the MagMouse.
Right, so in the past we focused a lot on, of course, iPhone and iPad protection and accessories. Now we're branching out into more and more areas where we try to bring convenience to people's lives. And this spring we launched the MagMouse. We had a Kickstarter campaign for this. So what's special about this is you just put it on your laptop and you don't have, your hands are free. You don't have to get one of those sleeves that takes up space and isn't very good looking always. So this is sturdy.
I'm regularly moving from one room just through to the next one in my school, and you know, putting away a mouse every single time, it's either that or it's carrying it and dropping it. So
this is just
who drops a mouse.
Yeah,
that's
this is just snap and go. So you just snap it on and it clicks on there. So there's a magnetic ring and then 2 pins that also pop out to make sure that if you bump into something, it won't pop off.
Cool.
So it's a really, you can feel it's a really solid attachment.
Yeah. And so what's the connection options you've got?
Okay.
The USB cord in there built in?
Yeah, so it has a built-in receiver. Oh, this.
Oh, I see.
That's for charging.
That's for charging.
Yeah.
Oh, right. It's a short cord.
Yeah. So there's a little receiver tucked in. So if you want to use a USB-A, or if your laptop is old like mine and the USB-A doesn't work anymore, I just use the Bluetooth option, and there's no lag for me. If you're doing regular office work, it's perfectly fine. For gamers, they might say not enough, but. For most people, it's fine. Because, this is for people like students going from classroom to classroom, or people going from meeting room to meeting room. So for regular tasks, it's fine. I use the Bluetooth, only the Bluetooth. I don't notice any lag. This is a USB-C cable for recharging. It has a built-in battery. So if you charge it for 1 minute, you can use it for 4 hours. And if you charge it for the full 45 minutes, then it lasts for a couple of months. I got mine in April to test, and I only charged it 1 time since then. So
there we go.
So and
really
another
nice
wait, there's more.
There's more.
Yeah. Also, a feature I really like is the 4-way scroll wheel, because I use a lot of Excel spreadsheets, and you have to go all the way over to column AX.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier using this than the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen. And,
why have I never seen that on a product before?
And it's very quiet. You can't hear the clicking sound. Also has back and forward buttons for navigation. So I really like it. I use it every day. And going from meeting room to meeting room, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's a banger. Right, lovely, thank you.
Okay.